This 2026 Bontrager Outdoors Compact 10 HD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Bontrager Outdoors is 13 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.